Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of ReliabilityX, here to invite you to join me October 29th and 30th in Dorado, Puerto Rico for RMC 2024. This is going to be a great 2-day event, all things asset management, maintenance, reliability, operations, how to use digital stuff, all kinds of crazy topics from fantastic speakers and some of my friends in the industry. For myself, I have 2 sessions. The first session is holistic maintenance planning and scheduling. And in this session, we're going to focus a little deeper than just the process of planning and scheduling and all your do's and don'ts. But we're going to focus heavily on how do you derive the value that exists from implementing maintenance planning and scheduling. How do you actually gain efficiency of the workforce? How do you ensure part availability? How do we make sure that the value you're preaching that you're going to get, your organization actually gets? So it's going to be a great session. Join me. It's an hour long. It's going to be just a blast, quite honestly, and always excited to see folks down in Puerto Rico. So this is going to be fun. The second session is on improving OEE for your business's bottom line. And in this session, we're going to focus on overall equipment effectiveness. And we're going to focus on how that metric is used as a continuous improvement tool instead of just a performance tool. So we're going to focus on bridging the gap between maintenance and operations, understanding that reliability is way more than just a maintenance initiative. And we're going to help you understand how to refocus your continuous improvement efforts to understanding how reliability equals profitability. So again, join me October 29th and 30th for RMC 2024. For more information on RMC, you can go to RMC-Xpansivo.com.